Hi guys, welcome back to Spotaria channel. So today in this video I'll show you how to change Flipboard profile picture. But before you continue this video, I hope you like, comment and subscribe to support this channel, and don't forget to hit the notifications bell. So without any further ado, let's get started. Firstly, you have to open your Flipboard apps on your phone. And now tap on your profile icon in the bottom of your screen. Now tap on your profile picture. There is an option you wanna take a photo. Choose from your library or remove your profile picture. And I'm gonna tap on choose from my library. After that, just select the right one photo that you wanna use for your profile picture. Just go match it, and if you're done, tap on choose in the bottom right of your screen. The last step, you just have to tap save at the top right in the corner of your screen to save it. And yeah, now your profile picture is already changed. So guys, that's all from me. I hope this video will helpful. Don't forget to leave your comment in the column below. I'll see you soon on the next one, and good luck!